My aim is to become a machine learning engineer, and I am learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Is that right? The answer is no, that is not right. So I almost quit my tech journey, but here is what encouraged me. So there's a day I sat on my bed, I was depressed, and I told myself, I'm done with coding. Learning tech is not longer for me. I was totally depressed, and I was telling myself that I am useless. Why am I even learning how to code? Like I was totally depressed, and the main thing that discourages me is I am slow. I am slow learning about tech. I am totally slow that I can't even understand the basis of HTML. Like I am too slow, and I am not using the I think I'm not using the right device. So I almost gave up. And also family members, my parents, that discouraging me that I should not go to learn how to code, that AI is already generating codes. So I almost gave up learning how to code. But on a fateful day, I watched a video of Sadiq Kada. On that video, he was talking about, is AI going to replace software engineers? So I was very, very interested in that video. So I started watching the video. So in that video, it made me understand that AI won't replace software engineers, that we should make sure that we learn how to code. Even AI is already generating codes, that if you don't even understand the code, how can you use it? So it encourages me more, and I was revived in me. I started pushing forward, learn how to code. I stopped comparing myself, because I was comparing myself with others. Like this person have gone far, this person is already building projects. So I stopped comparing myself with others, and I now focused on my own. I focused on my own, started with HTML. Under 2 weeks, I'm done with my HTML. I moved to CSS, JavaScript. There's one day I'm chatting with ChatGPT, and ChatGPT told me that the right language I should learn is Python. Once my plan is to become a machine learning engineer, that I should move and learn Python. That Python is the language I should learn. Another frustration then came in. I was like I was down. So my aim is to become a machine learning engineer, and I am learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Is that right? The answer is no, that is not right. So I was totally frustrated and depressed again. So I was like, so all the time I wasted learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript is nothing. So I was totally depressed, and behold, I was happy in me that I've already know the roadmap I should follow. So I started learning Python. So right now I'm learning Python right now. So if you're also learning Python, we can collaborate. Yes, we can learn together and understand certain things. Right now, I am starting Python from scratch. So if you're also learning Python, I am free here. You can join me. I am Favor. I am a self-taught developer, a front-end, because I'm already done with my HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Right now, I'm learning Python. So I'm a self-taught front-end developer. We can collaborate in learning Python. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you on the next one. Be sure to be well, and peace.